Welcome back to Lara All in All. So excited to see your faces today. What a beautiful day that the Lord has made, and will rejoice and be glad in it. So welcome back to my channel. God bless you. Summer is about appreciation, and many people want to lose weight, many people want to gain weight, but we are going to talk about the healthy smoothies and shakes that will make you lose weight. Okay, preparation for your metabolism for success with burning fat, smoothies for weight loss. Plants are powerful. Blend smoothies and work for your body. Okay, so this is what we want to talk about. It's a supercharger with your metabolism with fat burning smoothies for weight loss. So this is what we are talking. They are natural, and there is nothing added to it that will just cause you something not to do what you need to do. So passionately believe what you put in your bodies. That's the first thing we're going to talk about. The food we eat, the beverages, the water, the supplements, the vitamins, the medications we take, and things we inhale will make you know if you are reducing fat or replacing it. We must understand that our eating habit, I said it in our last episode, one of the topic, our eating habit needs to be controlled. Don't think that you are in that position right now to eat everything and you swap everything on your tummy. At the end of the day, it might not be healthier for you. And now, the healthiest habit to start is drinking a daily smoothies as a meal replacement. So there are sometimes you skip that meal and you want to go for a smoothie, so that will help you. Always blend this at home. It will help you lose weight. Okay, it will help you lose weight. The first thing is the beginner for green smoothies. The green leafy green vegetables are very, very important for you to lose weight. Okay, and it's delicious and nutritious. Then we have the apple celery smoothies. Apples are good as well to lose weight. Well, it's also good for losing weight. So for you to make pineapple, because of how it's the sweetness, you can add ginger to it to make your smoothies. Fresh ginger, not the powdered one, not the roasted one, but the fresh one. Just add it to your pineapples and you will see that you will have a very good smoothies to drink in this 2023. Okay, you can have chocolate weight loss as well. So gain natural energy and burn fat with the cocoa filled with smoothies. So you can get a low fat chocolate and blend as well and drink. It will also help you reduce weight as well. Now, smoothies for brain, for clearing the cup words and benefits from better focus and the genuine smoothies. Okay, raspberry is also good for losing weight. The smoothie, blend it and drink. Natural one. Don't go and buy. Blend it at home. You will see that you will love it. It's so plain and pretty to take raspberry. Now, you can go on and